award-winning design, exceptional comfort, and outstanding luxury. Introducing Afikim's brand new generation of mobility scooters. Enjoy the world's first and only eco-friendly solar-powered mobility scooter that harnesses the power of the sun, enabling fast and easy charging on the go. While you relax, your solar-powered mobility scooter is gaining energy, providing extra driving time, distance, and peace of mind. When a sunny day becomes cloudy, our scooters are prepared for any weather with our new and improved rain sides. Designed for ultimate protection from wind, rain, and snow. Enjoy safer driving with our new and innovative curve speed adaptation system, which automatically reduces speed through curves and sharp turns. Drive anywhere with our all-terrain mobility scooters that can take you on any surface, turning every ride into an unforgettable adventure, giving you newfound freedom. Sustainability, safety, reliability. The new generation of Afi scooters by Afikim, reimagining mobility.